Guys, welcome back. Happy Thursday. We're rounding the week here, approaching that Friday mark that we all long for in the weekend. And take a look today at a company called McKesson Corporation, ticker MCK. A friend of mine had tipped me off to this, and I figured, you know what, let me do a little bit of analysis on it and see if for myself. Um, it made sense, and it did. So I want to share it with you guys. Talk about it a little bit, give you some insight to, I don't know in all honesty too much about the company, but I do know all about the technicals because that's what I am. I am a technical trader. What I do is I analyze price action. I decide if I believe that price action is going to potentially perform or not. If it does perform, there's an opportunity to have a return on my money. If it does not perform, obviously I need to manage my risk. So I'll back this out a little bit. I'll reset the chart this way you kind of get a feel for what's going on. So you had a pretty aggressive downtrend here, and then we've captured an uptrend here. This is what we call a primary channel. You can see that the 200-day is kind of hovered along the bottom of it. And what we have above is called a full channel extension. So it gets a little messier as we zoom in a little bit because the trade has the price action has tightened a little bit. So it's my job to identify, hey, have we found an opportunity? And really, is it an opportunity for myself to put some money to work? Is it an opportunity for my readers of my weekly newsletter? Is it an opportunity for those of you who partake in watching my daily videos and things of that nature? So I try not to, if there's no opportunity, I try not to really focus in on it, or if it hasn't transpired in a sense that we can learn from it, there's really not much to say. But in this, it really worked out beautifully. So we had obviously this aggressive run up here. You can see price action really ran hard. And then we consolidated. And in fact, we kind of almost formed a little bit of a cup here. See how this price action kind of formed a bit of a cup. Let me move it to a daily chart and see if it looks a little better. So here's your cup. Here's your handle right here. This area right here would be considered a handle. So it's a cup and handle. And then price broke out. It's been fluttering a little bit, but we really look in. And the way I look at it, I look at the bigger picture on a weekly chart and I look for that breakout. I look for that 1+% breakout. So I measure from the channel structure, which is the orange line, to the close there. You can see I have approximately 2.32%. So that is a valid that's a valid buy signal. So I placed my stop below where I believed the battle occurred. When I say the battle, what I mean is where the sellers were in control and where the buyers overtook control. That to me is the exchange of power. That's where the battle occurred. You could see in this candle, price action tested this channel structure but failed to close above it. So the sellers remained in control. Then you could see that the buyers clearly overtook it, gave us our confirmation. So this represents our risk. And then I placed our reward at this ascending channel above. So we're going to keep in mind that this channel, as time goes on, gets higher and higher and higher, and we will move our target higher and higher and higher. So week to week, we will, instill a 1% buffer, but we will advance the target until our target's been filled. Either the target's been filled or the stop's been hit. It'll be one or the other. But this is a brand new trade idea. It's triggered absolutely beautifully, checks all the boxes. Does not mean that it's going to work, but listen, all we can do as traders is stack the odds in our favor, protect our account, and employ great risk management. And that's what allows us to live to trade another day. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you follow along with this opportunity. I know I will continue to watch it and report back to you and let you know if it transpired nicely or if it flopped and pooped the bed. And that does happen from time to time, but we simply need to be well aware of exactly what we are looking at so we can make the best decisions for ourselves. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you join me again tomorrow for one more video before the weekend. And I look forward to seeing you then and there.